Hey folks, you guys want to check an air filter on a Jeep Renegade with a straight 6 and you have this set up as an air filter? Check it out. It's pretty simple. Got 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 looks like it's off. Wait, I bet you that's the hard one. That's why nobody wants to do it. And then it's 5. All right, so let's do it. There's 1. 2 is already taken off. There's 3. There's 4. And here's 5. Okay, don't have to worry about this bar here. It won't get in your way. Just lift it up, and you stick it up in that corner right there, like that. Watch this. Lift it up. Put it right over this fuse box. Swing it out of the way, and then you are good. All right, pop the little filter out. Just check it. Looks pretty good on this side for the customer. Check the other side. Oh, the other side's got a little foam to it. Nice, fancy dancy one. Yeah, no, it's not that bad at all. All right, it's pretty clean. Nothing in there. And we're gonna throw it back in. All right. Goes in just the way it is. Make sure it's nice and flush. If it's not flush, you're gonna have a hard time putting the cover back on. Okay, now cover slide right back on. Set it up nice and snug as a bug in a rug. There's your 1. There's your 2. There's your 3. Here is your 4. Your 5 is going to be a little tough because you can't really push on it. So if you have a little bar, a little screwdriver, you can just wedge it right under here. Again, give it a little nice little push. I'm going to try to do it with my hand here like this. Alright, just a little bit of push. And there you go. And you're on. Okay? There's your filter. All done. Thanks for watching, guys.